Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the DJI Focus Pro, a cutting-edge follow-focus system designed for professional filmmakers. With its advanced features and robust design, this system is perfect for precise focus control in cinematic productions. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The DJI Focus Pro features a sleek and durable design, making it a reliable tool for professional use. The system includes a hand controller, a laser rangefinder, and up to 3 modular motors. The hand controller is ergonomically designed with a large, easy-to-read display and a physical control wheel for precise adjustments. The entire system is built to withstand the rigors of on-set use. Camera quality. The DJI Focus Pro is equipped with a high-quality camera system that ensures clear and detailed footage. The camera features one 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 12-megapixel still photos. This sensor size and resolution provide excellent image quality, making it ideal for monitoring recordings and capturing detailed documentation. Recording capabilities. The DJI Focus Pro supports impressive recording capabilities, including 32-bit float recording for high dynamic range, mono and stereo recording options, noise-canceling technology for clear audio. These features ensure that you can capture every detail with exceptional clarity, making it perfect for professional quality audio recordings. Focus and tracking capabilities. The DJI Focus Pro incorporates advanced LiDAR technology, which provides precise and fast autofocus even in low-light conditions. The system also includes Active Track Pro, allowing for intelligent subject tracking and ensuring your subject remains in focus and well-framed during shoots. Performance. The DJI Focus Pro delivers exceptional performance with its reliable wireless connection and long-range capabilities. The system can transmit focus control signals up to 20 meters away, providing flexibility for various shooting scenarios. The built-in LiDAR technology and modular motors ensure high-quality focus control in any environment. Versatility and use cases. The DJI Focus Pro excels in versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases. Whether you're shooting feature films, documentaries, or commercials, this follow-focus system provides the flexibility needed for various scenarios. Its advanced features make it a valuable tool for professional filmmakers. Connectivity and features. The DJI Focus Pro supports various connectivity options, including USB-C and HDMI for easy connection to cameras and other recording devices. The system also includes a 3.5mm audio cable for direct connection to audio equipment. The hand controller features a USB-C port for charging and data transfers. Battery life and charging. The DJI Focus Pro offers impressive battery life with up to 15 hours of operation on a single charge. The hand controller and motors can be fully recharged in approximately 1.5 hours, ensuring minimal downtime and extended shooting sessions. User experience. Users have praised the DJI Focus Pro for its exceptional build quality, advanced capabilities, and user-friendly interface. The system's comprehensive features and intuitive controls make it accessible for both experienced and new users. However, some users have noted that the system's complexity may require a learning curve for those new to professional-grade focus systems. Price and value. The DJI Focus Pro is priced at approximately $999. While it is a significant investment, the system offers excellent value for those seeking a high-performance follow-focus system with advanced features and superior build quality. Conclusion. The DJI Focus Pro is a compelling choice for professional filmmakers seeking a versatile, high-performance follow-focus system. Its advanced capabilities, robust design, and comprehensive features make it a valuable tool for precise focus control in cinematic productions. Overall, the DJI Focus Pro offers a balanced mix of performance and features, making it a strong contender in the follow-focus market. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.